Are your neighbors always peeking over the fence or looking a little too closely at your backyard? Imagine having a lush, green wall of plants growing so fast that by next season you have your own private retreat. In today's video, we're counting down 10 of the fastest growing plants that can block nosy neighbors and turn your yard into a peaceful, private paradise. Welcome back to Golden Hour's Garden, the place where we make outdoor spaces beautiful, practical, and relaxing. If you love gardening tips, budget-friendly ideas, and inspiration to transform your backyard, you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's dive right into our list and start creating that natural privacy screen you've been dreaming about. Plant number 1. Bamboo, clumping variety. Bamboo is one of the fastest and most dramatic ways to create instant privacy in your yard. Within just a single growing season, clumping bamboo can shoot up several feet, creating a tall, lush green wall that completely shields you from prying eyes. The leaves sway beautifully in the breeze, adding movement and a calming sound to your space. It's perfect for creating that peaceful, spa-like vibe right in your backyard. The key is to choose a clumping variety instead of running bamboo. Clumping bamboo grows in neat clusters and won't take over your entire garden, making it much easier to maintain while still giving you that quick-growing coverage. Planting bamboo is simpler than most people think. It thrives in well-draining soil, loves a sunny or partly shaded spot, and only needs regular watering during its first year to establish strong roots. After that, it's quite drought-tolerant and low-maintenance. You can also trim it to keep it at the exact height you want for your privacy screen. If you want to make it look even more beautiful, add a layer of mulch around the base to help retain moisture and keep weeds away. Bamboo is truly a set-it-and-forget-it plant that delivers results fast, and it's a fantastic choice for anyone who wants an elegant, natural fence without the weight. Plant number 2. Leyland cypress. If you need privacy in a hurry, Leyland cypress is one of the best solutions you can plant. This beautiful evergreen tree grows incredibly fast, often adding 3 to 4 feet in height each year, which means you can go from exposed to completely hidden in just a couple of seasons. The dense, feathery foliage forms a solid green wall that blocks unwanted views, muffles street noise, and creates a cozy, secluded feel. Leyland cypress also keeps its color all year long, so you won't have to deal with bare branches in the winter. It's a favorite choice for creating a natural fence line along property edges, especially in neighborhoods where space and privacy are a concern. Planting Leyland cypress is very straightforward. They thrive in full sun and well-drained soil, and they should be spaced about 6 to 8 feet apart to form a continuous hedge. Once established, they are quite low maintenance and only need occasional watering during dry spells. You can let them grow naturally for a tall, lush barrier, or trim them lightly once a year to keep them at the perfect height and shape. With their rapid growth and year-round greenery, Leyland cypress trees are an investment in both beauty and peace of mind, giving you that private, secluded oasis you've been dreaming of. Plant number 3. Arborvitae, green giant. The Arborvitae, green giant, is a true superstar when it comes to fast-growing privacy plants. Known for its tall, upright growth and lush green foliage, this tree can grow up to 3 feet per year under the right conditions. Its columnar shape makes it perfect for lining property edges, even in narrow yards, because it doesn't spread too wide. The dense greenery creates a living wall that looks elegant and polished, making it one of the most popular choices for homeowners who want instant curb appeal and privacy rolled into one. Plus, it's deer-resistant, disease-resistant, and stays beautifully green all year long, which means your backyard privacy won't disappear in winter. Arborvitae green giant thrives in full sun to partial shade and adapts well to a wide range of soils, which makes it easy to grow almost anywhere. Once you plant them, be sure to give them regular water during their first season so they can establish strong roots. Then they'll practically take care of themselves. You can let them grow naturally for a tall, lush hedge, or trim them once a year to maintain a more formal, sculpted look. Whether you plant just a few or create an entire row, these evergreens instantly make your backyard feel like a private, peaceful retreat while adding a touch of natural elegance. Plant number 4. Privet hedge. Privet is a classic choice for anyone who wants a thick, formal hedge that grows quickly and looks beautiful year-round. This plant is known for its ability to grow 2 to 3 feet per year, filling in quickly to create a lush, green wall of privacy. Its dense foliage forms a solid barrier that keeps out unwanted views and adds a sophisticated, traditional feel to any garden. Privet is also incredibly versatile. You can keep it trimmed for a neat manicured look, or let it grow naturally for a softer, more relaxed hedge. It even produces small, fragrant white flowers in the summer, which add a lovely touch of charm to your backyard. Growing privet is very straightforward, making it perfect for both new and experienced gardeners. It thrives in full sun to partial shade and does well in many soil types as long as there's good drainage. Regular watering and a little pruning are all it takes to keep your hedge healthy and full. If you want to encourage faster, denser growth, trim it lightly a couple of times during the growing season. Privet is one of those plant it once and enjoy it for years. Types of hedges, making it an excellent investment for instant privacy and a polished, finished look for your property. Plant number 5. Areca palm, or bamboo palm for warmer climates. If you live in a warmer climate and want your backyard to feel like a tropical escape, Areca palms are an excellent choice for fast-growing privacy. These elegant palms grow in clumps with feathery fronds that create a lush green curtain perfect for blocking out neighbors while still allowing soft breezes and sunlight through. Under the right conditions, Areca palms can reach 10 to 20 feet tall, giving you instant height and coverage. They also bring a resort-like atmosphere to your space, making your backyard feel like a vacation spot every single day. Caring for Areca palms is surprisingly easy. They prefer bright, indirect sunlight or light shade and thrive in well-drained soil. During their first year, keep the soil evenly moist and you'll be rewarded with rapid growth and a full, thick screen. They don't require heavy pruning, just remove older fronds as they naturally die back to keep the plant looking fresh. These palms are also known for improving air quality, so they don't just give you privacy, they give you a healthier space to relax in. If you've been dreaming about a backyard that feels private, breezy, and tropical, Areca palms are the perfect way to make it happen. Plant number 6. Wax myrtle. Wax myrtle is a fantastic option if you want a fast-growing shrub that provides privacy and a little extra character for your yard. This semi-evergreen shrub can grow up to 5 feet in a single year, quickly forming a dense, natural screen that blocks out unwanted views. Its foliage is aromatic, giving off a fresh, clean scent when crushed, and it produces small, waxy berries that attract birds and other pollinators. Wax myrtle's soft, fine-textured leaves create a light and airy look while still giving you the coverage you need for a private backyard retreat. This plant is as low maintenance as it is beautiful. Wax myrtle thrives in full sun but can also tolerate partial shade, and it's very adaptable to different soil types, even sandy or less fertile soils. It is drought-tolerant once established, making it a great choice for busy gardeners who want big results with minimal upkeep. You can prune it regularly to shape it into a formal hedge, or let it grow naturally for a more casual, free-flowing look. Either way, wax myrtle grows quickly and fills in those empty spaces, helping you reclaim your privacy while adding fragrance, color, and life to your outdoor space. Plant number 7. Willow hybrid trees. If you're looking for one of the fastest privacy solutions available, willow hybrid trees are hard to beat. These trees are famous for their incredible growth rate, shooting up as much as 6 to 10 feet in a single year once they're established. Within just a couple of seasons, you can have a tall, dense green wall that completely blocks out neighbors and even reduces noise from nearby streets. Their graceful, willow-like leaves add movement and a soft, elegant look to your landscape, creating a peaceful and private backyard retreat. Willow hybrids are easy to grow as long as they have plenty of sunlight and consistent moisture during their first year. They are hardy, resistant to most pests and diseases, and thrive in a variety of soil types. Because they grow so quickly, you'll want to give them plenty of space to spread out and plan for their mature height, which can reach up to 30 to 50 feet if left untrimmed. Once they've filled in, you'll have an almost instant green fence that offers shade, privacy, and a beautiful natural backdrop for your outdoor space. For homeowners who want fast results and don't mind a little size, willow hybrid trees are a perfect solution. Plant number 8. Holly, Nellie Stevens or American Holly. Holly is an excellent choice if you want privacy with a touch of year-round beauty and seasonal charm. Varieties like Nellie Stevens holly grow quickly and can reach impressive heights, forming a dense evergreen screen that stays green even through the coldest months. The glossy, dark green leaves create a stunning backdrop for your garden, while the bright red berries that appear in winter add a pop of festive color. This makes holly not just a privacy plant, but also a beautiful decorative feature that brings life to your backyard all year long. Holly is relatively easy to care for and adapts to many growing conditions. Plant it in full sun or partial shade, and make sure the soil drains well for best results. Once established, holly requires little more than occasional watering during dry spells and light pruning to maintain its shape and encourage thick growth. If you want a living fence that offers privacy, beauty, and even food for wildlife like songbirds, holly is a wonderful choice. Its combination of fast growth, low maintenance, and ornamental appeal makes it perfect for homeowners who want their yard to feel both private and full of character. Plant number 9. Forsythia. Forsythia is one of the most cheerful and fast-growing plants you can add to your backyard, especially if you love a splash of seasonal color. Known for its bright yellow flowers that burst open in early spring, this plant can grow several feet per year and quickly form a dense hedge that blocks unwanted views. Even after the flowers fade, its lush green foliage continues to provide privacy through the summer, making it both beautiful and functional. Forsythia is also very hardy and forgiving, so it's perfect for gardeners of all skill levels who want quick results without too much fuss. To get the best growth out of Forsythia, plant it in full sun where it can soak up plenty of light, which encourages both faster growth and more flowers. It thrives in well-drained soil and benefits from a light pruning right after it finishes blooming in spring. This keeps it looking tidy and encourages even more flowers for the following year. Forsythia is a wonderful way to mix privacy with color, and when it's in full bloom, it can completely transform the look and feel of your yard, giving you a private, sunny space that feels full of life and joy. Plant number 10. Climbing plants on a trellis. If you have a small yard or want to add privacy without taking up much ground space, climbing plants are the perfect solution. When paired with a trellis, fence, or pergola, fast-growing climbers like trumpet vine, jasmine, clematis, or even climbing roses can cover a wall within just one season. They create a beautiful, living curtain that blocks unwanted views while filling the air with fragrance and color. This option is especially great for patios, decks, or areas where you want privacy in a vertical space without planting large trees or hedges. Caring for climbing plants is simple and very rewarding. Plant them near a support structure and give them a little help to start climbing, then watch them take off. Most climbers love full sun and need regular watering while they're getting established. Once they've covered your trellis, you can lightly prune them after flowering to keep them healthy and under control. Add a string of outdoor lights or lanterns to the trellis, and you'll have not only privacy but also a stunning, cozy backdrop for evening gatherings. Climbing plants are a fast, flexible way to create a private, intimate atmosphere in almost any backyard space. So, there you have it. 10 fast-growing plants that can turn your backyard into a private, peaceful retreat faster than you ever imagined. Whether you go for the tall, elegant look of Arborvitae, the tropical vibe of Areca palms, or the cheerful blooms of Forsythia, each of these options will give you beauty, greenery, and a break from nosy neighbors. Thank you for spending time with me here on Golden Hours Garden. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's ready to create their own private paradise. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to make your outdoor space more beautiful, practical, and relaxing. I can't wait to see you in the next video, where we'll keep growing and transforming your garden together.